Welcome to Caching Waves. This is an Elliott Wave update for Akropolis, something like that. And I wanted to show you this one. This one's pretty wild. It's ranked 759 right now, and it's only got a $27 million market cap right now. Look into it more if you want, but it's not even a penny right now. And the reason I'm interested is the similar setup as you've seen on ApeCoin. Very similar. And I'll get into this count in a moment, but I want you to see that we're currently holding above the trend line, which if you've seen these trade setups before, I've mentioned them to you, but this is one in real time where if it breaks out, it's just going to break out to the upside and be parabolic, like so, where we do not get any sort of correction here. And I've mentioned before that in very bullish markets, we get running flats, which we have right here. So all the ingredients are there for it to break out. I'm not saying it's going to, but when it does in the past, this is exactly what it looks like. So we'll go down to the hourly. Again, I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but pretty standard. We have our diagonal to the upside. And then here we get a flat, like so. And we're breaking and holding above the previous wave one. So very similar setup for me. I'm going to be very repetitive today, but these are all very similar. I'm going to buy either, if we pull back here a little bit, I'll try and get an entry here. If I can, stop will be just past the 618. I'm not going to give it all the way to the low. But if we break out above this high, which is the B wave of the flat, then I will buy the breakout and the stop will go at the previous pivot on the 15-minute. So if I get triggered above, that's my stop. Reason being so I can get as large of a position size as possible on this setup. So either I'm going to wait for this, buy in this area, stop just past the 618, or if we just go, I trigger in, stop at this low. Hope that's pretty straightforward, but that's what I'm looking for. Again, not saying this is going to happen, but previously when coins go parabolic, this is exactly what they look like in this area, and they just break out to the upside. This one might have bigger potential than others. I don't know anything, literally anything about the coin, but it's got such a small market cap where if it picks up, it could take off, and it is available on perpetual on MEXC. So very interested in this one, but we'll see what we get. If we pull back here, I would expect this is just making a larger correction, and we might just drift a little more, come up, drift back, just extend out this flat a little bit. But we'll see what we get. I will update Bitcoin, like I mentioned. The reason I'm going over these quickly is the fact that Bitcoin could be making another nested one too. It could be. It's possible. So I have to try and update you guys with my list. I was hoping I'd have a bit more time, but I want to at least make you guys aware of these trade setups. All right, guys, so that's it for AKRO or Akropolis. I'm not sure how to spell that. And I'll get the next one.